Welcome to our channel, where we explore the deeper meanings behind our spiritual practices. Today, we'll uncover the profound power of chanting mantras, particularly the Gayatri Mantra, and how these sacred sounds influence our mind, body, and surroundings. A mantra is more than just a collection of words or sounds. In spiritual traditions, a mantra is a sacred formula composed of syllables, words, or phrases that carry deep meaning and vibrational energy. Chanting a mantra is a way to connect with the divine, focus the mind, and create positive energy around us. Chanting mantras has been a cornerstone of spiritual practice for thousands of years. Each mantra is believed to carry a unique vibrational frequency that resonates with different aspects of the universe. When chanted with devotion and focus, these vibrations can align our energy with higher spiritual forces, bringing peace, clarity, and a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. The power of mantras isn't just spiritual, it's also scientific. Sound is a form of energy that travels in waves, and these waves can influence the mind and body. When we chant a mantra, the rhythmic repetition and specific vibrational patterns can help synchronize brain waves, reduce stress, and promote mental clarity. This is why many people find chanting to be a powerful tool for meditation and mindfulness. One of the most revered mantras in Hinduism is the Gayatri Mantra. This ancient mantra, composed of 24 syllables, is a prayer to the sun god, invoking wisdom and enlightenment. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra daily is believed to purify the mind, dispel darkness, and bring inner peace. Its vibrations resonate with the energies of the universe, aligning the chanter with the light of knowledge and the essence of life itself. Regular chanting of mantras like the Gayatri Mantra can have a profound impact on both the individual and their environment. The vibrations generated by chanting can purify the space, creating a positive atmosphere that fosters spiritual growth and mental well-being. For the chanter, this practice can help reduce anxiety, enhance concentration, and promote a deeper sense of inner calm. Incorporating mantra chanting into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's a few minutes in the morning, during your yoga practice, or before bed, chanting mantras can help center your mind, uplift your spirit, and create a sense of balance in your life. Mantras are more than just words, they are a powerful tool for spiritual and mental transformation. By understanding the science and spirituality behind them, we can harness their full potential to bring peace, clarity, and positivity into our lives. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the science behind our spiritual practices.